Right here they are. Pearl and Rain. 4 days old. They were born Easter Sunday. Let's see if I can get them riled up here. This is a 4-day-old puppy, folks. Four days old. And I think Rain's throwing his chest from what it looks like. This little girl's bully as hell. Put her back right in the middle there. Who else is not eating? Come here, Momo. This is my own little Momo. Here. 4 perfectly black circles. Oh, here you go. Four days old. This here's a female. Little pearl clone. There's 3 females. Here's all the females. And then all the males. This is the beast male right here. The head on this little bastard and the bone at 4 days old. I know everybody's gonna say, oh, he's 4 days old. Yeah, I know. But he's a fucking bear cub. It's like I'm holding a bear cub in my hand. And you got the rump male. Short back on it. Little bully ass face already. This is them. This is Rain times Pearl. Double L kennels. This litter is something like 11 times Juan Gotti. We ain't doing it like we're doing it, I promise you. This is the only blue male. Only blue male in the litter. Will you please be quiet? No, this little girl we're calling Black Ass. Because that's the only thing black on her is her ass. And her little bandit mask. That's a female too. Got 2 males open. 2 of these bitches open. Or you hit up the site, doublelkennels.com. Check out what's available. I'm telling you, get in where you fit in. It's gonna be some beasts.